GunCon 24. We're in Brownell's house, ain't we?
You daggum right we are.
So
it's nice to be here.
Nice to be here, and big shout out to the Gun Collective. Great host.
Yep.
Old Patton, go figure.
Yeah, John's put on a pretty good show here. We had a really good day yesterday, minus weather, which he couldn't control that. But the venue at Big Springs shooting complex.
Oh yeah.
We did some live fire. We actually managed to sneak out during the suppressed shooting there, put a can on them and shoot a little bit.
Very cool.
But yeah, we been able to show off some killer Ranger Point guns here. You know, so Ranger Point doesn't make the guns; they make the parts that bring the lever gun into the 21st century.
Not your grandpa's lever action.
Daggum right, it's not your grandpa's lever action. So granddaddy might actually roll over in his grave, or there's a strong possibility he might actually like it.
I think they like it. I think they like it.
But now this one right here, this is one of my personal guns. I've owned this one for over a decade. This one actually had been really rough at one point. It was pockmarked, scratched, rusted. I used to call it Project 12-footer because it looked pretty good from about over there. But now this year, I actually took it apart, had it Cerakoted in a tungsten, and then put the Ranger Point Precision black multicam on it.
Right.
So I put the black multicam Cerakoted stock and handguard on it, and now this thing is just looking sick. And so we had to rename it. So I was actually at a live fire event in Fulshire, Texas. We were there for HTX Tactical Range Day.
Yeah.
And this guy was coming up through all of the booths, and he goes, "What is so obnoxious?" And I was like, "That's this. Thanks for renaming my rifle."
Right.
So yeah, this it looks like it's an SBR, but it's actually still 16 inches. But it's a 44 mag, and with that little short barrel, man, this thing is my barker. It absolutely just brings people in.
So I guess it's kind of like the Dissy in a way, that the handguard is so long it makes the barrel look shorter.
Yeah,
that's kind of like how it's working there.
That
because it is. I was fixing to say that's a rifle, and it's okay, cool.
Yeah, but it's also the fact that the barrel actually goes this far into the receiver. So if you measure it by actual regs, you'll take a rod, you close the bolt, you drop drop a rod down the barrel, it'll still measure at 16 inches.
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
Very nice. Real quick, want to say thanks to Aegis Gun Care for their help with the trip to GunCon 2024. Aegis Cleaning Products are our go-to for daily cleaning needs here on the channel. Their high-tech solutions offer extended protection against friction, temperature, corrosion, pitting, and wear. And so, we were talking yesterday, and I think that's what's kind of cool, the modularity factor.
Yeah.
So talk a little bit about, you got some modularity back here going on. You got some modularity up here going on.
Yep.
What all can be done here?
All right, so the cool thing about this, like I said earlier, we're bringing the lever gun into the 21st century. We get M-lock slots, so you got 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. We've actually got QD sockets here for slings.
Right.
So you can actually take your modern day, like a Magpul MS-1 sling, and put it on here.
Right.
And then also the CEO of Ranger Point is a lefty, so he's left-handed. So the way he has this set up is you've got your ammo quiver and accessory panel on this side. Well, let's swap right over to this side.
Yep.
It just bolts on 3 screws and it's M-lock. So it mounts up just like M-lock.
Yeah.
And then also, the fact that we're at GunCon, there's so many different guns here. This M-lock, if you go over here and you find an AR that has, I don't know, a flashlight or a laser, or even just a little hand stop or some rail scales, if it's M-lock, it fits.
It fits, yeah.
And then also for modularity on this handguard, this is the cost of handguard. And you can see right here is one gator rail. That gator rail, it just keeps this thing nice and lightweight, gives you a little place to put you a little small red dot. Or if you actually want to go full length with it, you could put like a PEQ or a laser or infrared or something like that right there on the top.
Right.
And you just got all over the place.
all the different points that you can extend it. And you were saying you can even extend it further back.
Yeah,
on some.
Yeah, on some. This one being a top eject model, you don't want to try to pull the gator rail over
Obviously,
it. But if it's side eject, you can go Picatinny from literally from the hammer all the way to the front.
Right.
So you can get all that. And what I've been doing with that, I've been doing some day and night hunting. So I've got an LPVO on there for day, and I've got a clip-on Krypton, or the Pulsar Krypton FXG50, a clip-on thermal that goes right in front of it. So deer during the day, pigs at night.
Pigs at night.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome. Definitely bringing it into the 21st century, man. Thanks for
thanks for interviewing me, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Cool stuff. Definitely check it out if you have a lever action. Brands that they cover us.
All right, so Ranger Point, This right here is a Rossi 92. We got Rossi 95. We got Marlin 336, 1894, 1895. Henry X models. There's several other Henry models. You've got your straight grip Henry models, your pistol grip Henry models. Then we go on into the Smith & Wesson 1854. Smith & Wesson 1854 was announced in January. The Henry Long Ranger, we've got a hand guard for it. We got a trigger guard for it.
Wow.
There are probably some that I'm forgetting. Oh, even the new HuTech, that HugTech, the Turkish little clones.
Yeah, uh-huh.
We actually have a hand guard and buttstock that fit those too.
Okay,
So,
awesome. That'll do it from GunCon.
y'all have a wonderful day.